We got some fennel seeds at the bulk store. And usually when I buy fennel, I like to use it in a variety of recipes, but I like to use it quite often in Indian dishes. But Camber Girl says that if we make tea out of it, it will help to soothe our stomach and offset all of the coffee and pastries that we've been eating at all hours. First thing I'm going to do is spread it into 2 little piles, and then I'll just give it a smash. And after crushing that fennel just a little bit, I can really smell it now. Kind of a licoricey flavor in the air. If you like licorice, then you might like the taste of fennel. And if you don't like licorice, you still might like it, because it's not that strong. So I'll just put the fennel in the cup. And then we'll let it steep in hot water for about 5 minutes. Now, having a strainer is ideal. But if you're a gifted person with some patience, you can get the seeds out with a spoon. How's your tea?
I'm enjoying my fennel tea.
How's your jacket?
Thank you.
Why are you wearing a coat in the kitchen?
Because I'm just cool this morning. Because
Cuenca is the city of eternal spring. Why don't they say eternal fall? What you making, Camber Girl?
Leftover special.
So you took the stem from the broccoli we bought and just simmered it up with some onion, and then you're just putting a bunch of leftovers in there.
Leftover special.
Because we're still in Cuenca, Ecuador, so we got no new cooking video this week because we haven't been cooking at home very much. And when we do, we're just sauteing up some vegetables and throwing it together with some eggs and leftovers. And we're eating fruit, when we can. But mostly we're eating garbage. Not garbage. It's delicious food, but it's not the healthiest stuff. What is that? A little leftover pasta? Mm-hmm. She's got her ears in. She's not even listening to me. But I am working fast and furiously on a lot of travel videos. So link below around to our travel channel, because we are putting some new stuff up over there. Just haven't been cooking, but we've been doing a lot of eating. And we've been doing a lot of stuff around town. And so I got a lot of new videos over there if you're interested in seeing what we're up to. The cooking channel is just kind of sad right now. But maybe it'll pick up in the future when we're not here eating all this Ecuadorian stuff and Italian food. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Check out our travel stuff if you want to see our shiny faces over there. A bug. The rare Cuenca, Ecuador bug sighting. Not a lot of bugs here. Bees, flies, and hummingbirds. That's it. That's the only 3 bugs. Ecuador. Look at that. It's almost dark. It gets dark here every night about 6 o'clock. That seems strange to me. They don't do, since it's on the equator, they don't do the time change. Like in the U.S., I'm used to it. It gets super duper dark part of the year kind of early. But then, at some point during the year, it's going to stay light until like 9 o'clock or after 9 o'clock. But every night here, it's dark around 6. That's a fun fact.